In this problem, we need to factor completely this polynomial here. Notice the polynomial has 4 terms. We normally factor 4 terms by factoring by grouping, but before we start that process, we need to see, is there a GCF for the whole polynomial? So looking at the numbers, I have a 3, a negative 12, a 1, and a negative 4. So there are no numerical common factors. All the terms do not have A's or B's, so there is no common factor for the whole polynomial. So I'm going to factor by grouping. So this method of grouping, you look at the first 2 terms and pull the common factor out of just those 2 terms. So out of 3a squared minus 12a, I can definitely pull a 3 out of both terms and an a. And so I pull a 3a out of 3a squared. It's going to leave me with a. Pull a 3a out of negative 12a. It's going to leave minus 4. Now you always bring down the middle sign, And now let's look at the last 2 terms. What do they have in common? I think the only thing they have in common is a b. So if I pull a b out of this first term here, it's going to leave me with a minus, pull a b out of here, it's going to give me a minus 4. Now factoring by grouping only works if this binomial is identical to this one. Is that true in this case? Yes. So that is my common binomial factor that I pull in front. And what is it going to leave? It's going to leave 3a plus b. So there is my factored polynomial.